Today I'll show you 7 best AI websites to generate TikToks or YouTube Shorts for your faceless YouTube channels. Okay, cut the crap. Let's get started with Munch. Now, don't let the name fool you. Munch is great. So essentially what it does is it generates short clips for all of the social media platforms, whatever you want. First of all, you just change the aspect ratio, whatever, you know, the drill. And let's say I just wanted to get this Elon Musk video to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now, you can just upload your own videos, or you can find a public video which is on YouTube, which is most likely what you're going to do if you're going to repost content, right?
Well, I mean, and you and I have had this conversation.
Now,
in
really good
Japan,
thing is that you can choose between multiple
I think it's
variations
immoral to bring
of
humans
subtitles.
into the world. I mean, people have gone.
Now, Munch offers so much. No, really, when it comes to analytics, once you get your video out there, you can see all these keywords related to this video, as well as some top trending keywords in 8 of our clips that Munch got for us. Actually, it's 10. Now, it's able to tell us what clips are going to have the highest score, and it even tells you what platforms the clips were especially rated for. It gives you the topics of the clips, and there's just so much more. Now, it is even capable of writing you the descriptions, which I think is phenomenal.
Well,
here you can choose like subtitle templates. These are the best ones for me. This Hormozo style, whatever it's called. All you gotta do now is to export these and re-upload them. Yeah, it's done. The next one is ClipA, which does a very similar process in creating short generated clips. And on Clip, we can choose the length of the video we're going to upload. All you got to do is to click here. Now, of course, what's the spoken language? It only works with English, French, and Spanish. And this is really important. Clip's duration interval. You have to go below 60 seconds, of course, if you're going to deal with YouTube Shorts, or over a minute if you're going to go TikTok. How many highlights do you want? It's up to you. Let's check 10. And here, you just drop a YouTube link. I'll take this podcast from Mr. Beast here. I'll just drop it right here, confirm YouTube link, and then add some keywords here. So, Mr. Beast, YouTube, success. Now click on Get Highlights, and then just wait a bit. Yeah, waiting, always waiting. What I really like from ClipA is that you can select the keywords that you want to bring out to the front. So it's not going to go on its own and just wonder what the hell you are thinking about. It's going to do the work based on your input, and that is really important. Now, it's not free. 14 days left on my free trial. Number of minutes uploaded is 60. So yeah, if you want to use it, you got to pay for it. But hey, they will email you when the work is done. Good stuff. So these numbered clips, like this number 1, number 2, number 3, it's like these are supposed to be the best clips that you can grab from it. So we're just going to grab like number 2 here. Now, unfortunately, what it's going to do, it's just going to shrink our video and then add the captions to the bottom, which isn't the most optimal short form content value. Downside here, you've definitely heard about this one, most likely. It's called OpusClip. I won't go over it too much as I've used this exact program on my channel before. It's without a doubt the best AI program that does this. And most people are using it. It works very similar to the ones I've shown before, where you just grab a YouTube link and it'll find the best clips within that video. But there is a catch. Because of Opus's popularity, you get an error message whenever you want to do the clips here. So you just go there, get free clips, and most likely there's going to be this message telling you that there's like so many people in a queue and it's going to take forever to give out your clips, which is why I kind of wanted to make this video to show you a ton of alternatives to OpusClips, which is used by a lot of people. The next one is called Video. Make short clips from long videos. However, they have some bonus features that I really like. Unfortunately, though, there is no free version. I mean, the free version only lasts for like 75 minutes of upload, and it's like 720p, and it's really expensive. If you want to get this one, you have to pay $360 per year. $1 a day. But of course, you can go to monthly version and then it's going to be $50. You kidding me? Okay. The good thing is that you've got 75 minutes each month. Okay, so it's going to be 75 minutes each month for free. How this works. You can paste the URL here from the YouTube. As you can see, I'm going to click here, start import. You can select the portrait size, which is the format that we want. I'll just select this vertical, and then you can select the template that you want. I'll take this one, let's say. You've got many of these. As you can see, you can, for example, select up to 3. That is what they recommend. For example, this one, click on continue. And additionally, you can select to give the personalized touch to your videos. Now, what's this going to do? It's going to increase and it's just going to give these handles. So these clips that you make, other people can't repurpose. Yeah, the irony, right? So if you don't want other people to repost your content that you made, use handles. If you don't want to do it, click on done and you're done. They're just going to take up to 30% of time of your video's length. So if it's 15 minutes, it's going to take 5 minutes. Now the next one is called ToShort.ai, and this one is by far the most simple one that I was showing today. As you can see, ready to create shorts in seconds. I just go and paste, and what's really good about this one is that if you paste the YouTube video and if a lot of other users have generated this exact same video, you're gonna find out the clips right away. So it didn't take like a second for me, alright? So most probably other people just went on and did this video before. So now I just got these shorts. And it even gives you the link to go and see with the time code where you can actually see that little video. I'll just take my own video now to show you. If I just paste that in here, no shorts were found. Alright, you can generate these, but it's gonna take a while. So this one is good if you have a viral video from YouTube that most probably other people already shorticized. So it's gonna be good for you if you just have those kind of videos. However, I don't believe these shorts are the best ones when you just do these that are just never before edited. So they're usually not the best. But hey, this one is for free and it's always gonna be. So yeah, it's a little bit buggy, but now the next one is by far the most favorite of mine because apart from just going and getting these visuals to video, as you can see, this is where you chop up your long form content and make short form content. So apart from this, you've got a lot of these other ones. This, for example, is going to turn your script to video. This one, for example, is going to take an article from the web and turn that to video. And this will do exactly that. Edit video using text. So it's going to take your inputs just like ChatGPT and it's going to edit the video. So if you got plenty of these little things on Pictory, and I really like this one because of it. I really like article to video. You can just copy the URL, whatever newsletter, whatever blog, you just put it in there and you've got yourself a video. So that's a really, really good one. And you've got affiliate commissions from it. I'm not affiliating for it today. You will not find any description links down there, but I'm just telling you can use this one here. All right, the last one, Fizzard. Guess what? It works very similarly to other videos that we've shown today. Yeah. However, there are a few key differences. If you ever have a Zoom call with somebody, or maybe you're doing a Zoom meeting or Zoom interview with someone, you can record it. Or you can directly import it from Zoom. And what this fella will do, it'll just cut up the best clips in your interview. Now, this could be crazy. If you work in a company and you just have a meeting and you record the meeting and you want your other colleagues to see the highlights of that meeting, you can do that in seconds with Fizzard. This is the only one that I found that works with Zoom, and it's just good. All you gotta do is to import that from Zoom, and it's gonna do the work. It's really special. Free trial, of course. Yeah, you can get it, but the pricing is not too much as well. $16. Well, it's good. But as you can see, 300 minutes of video upload per month if you take the free version. So, it's good. There you are. A lot of alternatives to OpusClips. I hope that you got some value out of this. Wish you good luck. Chop up those clips, and I'll catch you.